So over here, the square area that you see right here is known as an artboard. So if I were to go around and let's say, for example, scroll out, you can see that this is the working area. So if I were to go around over here and draw out any shape, you can see that I can go ahead and work out in this area right here, just like this. But what I can also do is work around with more than one artboard. So to do that, you can actually go around over here on the left hand side and access the artboard tool right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I got certain size of artboard right here. I can simply go ahead and click on the plus button to add in another artboard right here. So over here, you can see that I got artboard 1 and artboard 2. I can go ahead and name this out as you want as well. For example, I can say something like front and back right here, just like this. Apart from that, I can also go around, click the plus button in whatever direction I want, and then you can see that you can go ahead and add in more artboard right here, just like this, and you'll be able to see their name right here as well. So this is the artboard, and you can go ahead and click and drag and place the artboard wherever you want as well. So apart from that, you can also go around and click on Insert Artboard, and then around from over here, another artboard is inserted. If I were to go around over here, you can see that right now it is set to document. But let's say, for example, I want iPhone 17 Pro Max size artboard right here. The existing artboard right now does not change. But if I were to click on Insert Artboard, you can see that the particular size that I selected simply gets inserted right here, just like this. You can go ahead and select another artboard size as well. For example, I have selected iPad Pro 13-inch, click on Insert, and then you can see that that particular size of artboard is inserted. So that is how you can go ahead and insert artboard as you like inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.